Alright, that's not it.
Now?
Just give me the line. Yeah, they're recording.
And now, today on Start Button News.
That's how you're gonna have it.
Okay. And now, tomorrow on Start Button News. Are we at 12 a.m. yet? Is that what you did?
Okay, go to...
Monday at the Palace of Auburn Hills.
Kyle, you suck.
Oh. It's like blurring on me. How's that?
I have never moved. I am a stone. Ow! That was my eye!
You should have been using ninja customers.
And now introducing Andrew, who will give us a 1-year... Kyle!
Again.
Yeah, we're gonna be on 3.
We're on 3.
Kyle, shut up!
We're on 3. Hold on one second.
Nintendo DS. It will be released by the end of the year. As a special treat for... We're going to show you the video shown at the Developers Conference, excuse me, later in the show. Stay tuned for that. And for now, we have a special report on 1 year anniversary.
Stop.
I think just go back and say the part where you fluff it.
But the flub is a change in direction. It offers entertainment.
It's a blooper reel.
You're a blooper reel. We should battle.
For Start Button News, this is Keith reporting. Back to you, Ryan.
Thank you for that special report, Andy. You're not Andy.
No, I'm not.
Script.
You just...
I'm reading your script from like a mile away. We're done with that segment anyway, right? That was it. Idea throwing. Whoosh. Down the field. Fumble. Sorry.
Okay. It'll be just a second. I want to get through this one.
Who made you floor manager again?
I did.
Ah!
Wait, what?
What?
Are you serious? I think they are. What?
Pause it, pause it.
The lens cap was on, wasn't it? Damn it!
No, they didn't get most of it. So, where's the...
We're going to do it again with me anyway, so.
I can't read it.
Okay. I'm sorry, I
I think it's that white, that's why I can't.
The lens cap is always on. Now I look like I was attacked by a bear.
I suppose clothing works.
It's not mine, so.
Yeah, that'll work. That's better.
Poseidon sinking.